Good morning, Makos. You may be asking, why is Mrs. Penrose in her bathroom? Well, let me tell you why. Because it's read aloud time with Mrs. Penrose, and it's very hard to find a private, safe space in this house. When I have a husband who's now working at home, I'm now working at home, and my son is now working at home. So I found a place, with the exception of one of my animals that snuck into the bathroom, where I can read to you in silence and peace. Except for maybe I need to close these a little bit. It's very hard to find a place with good lighting as well. Let's see if this helps out. We're all learning. You have to be patient. I think that's a little bit better. There we are. Okay. So today I'm going to be reading the story, There is a Bird on Your Head. Oh my goodness. There are quite a few birds on my head. Oh, but the story is not about me. It's written by Mo Williams. So here we go. There is a bird on your head. And of course, here comes my cat who wants to see what the bird and the nest is doing on my head. There is no peace. We shall move on. Yes, Sadie. Title page, there is a bird on your head. Here's the elephant and Piggy. And here comes the bird. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Here are my lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do they know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds want to make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3! You have 3 eggs on your head. Look at just my nest. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The 3 eggs are gone. The 3 eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. So have mine. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye-bye. There they go, flying away. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. As you can see, I did an extension activity yesterday and went out into my garden and got some sticks and some ribbon and some scraps laying around and made my own new hat to wear around the house. Of course, the cats go a little bit crazy. They keep trying to climb up me like I'm a tree, but it's okay. Anyway, peace be with you. Have a wonderful day. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Until next time, Bathroom Diaries with Mrs. Penrose. Bye-bye.